Me and my son Will have been cleaning up limbs that were blown down from Hurricane Michael, and we came upon this plant. It's a thistle. It's a really pretty plant, but it has very sharp, spiny tips. If you touch that, it's sharp. Will, what kind of plant is that again?
Thistle.
It is. Is it pretty?
Well, it's the national emblem of Scotland, and there's over 200 types of these.
Is that right? So there's 200 species of thistles out there. Okay, it's pretty good. Like I said, it sure is sharp, but it's so pretty in its own way.
But in a little while, it might make like thousands of these.
Well, that's what somebody told me on the internet, that to dig it up, because even though it's pretty, they
make thousands of them.
Exactly, and it may not be a good thing to have in your yard.
Looks like we found a new species of thistle.
You gonna dig it up?
Sure.
You think it's a weed?
Those are the thorns I really can, but not actually cut them, because that's what the seeds are in.
It looks like an alien plant, doesn't it? From another planet.
Yes, don't cut the... I wonder what the roots look like on the other side.
I don't know. We're gonna see though.
We should dig up these baby ones too.
Maybe.
It already made a couple babies. How do we pick it up, boys? Gotta pick it up with the hands, isn't it?
Okay, Will, I got it.
Ah!
Now I'm gonna throw it away.